Welcome back to the Shart Show. Welcome back to the Shart Show. Look at all that water. Watch. So, I have to replace this tub shoe, but that's going to be really hard to get up. So, come on, guy, there we go. Yep. That usually happens, but that's okay. That's typically what happens. We have this one. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work, dude. Well, that came off easy. That came off easy. There we go. All right. This is the same size, same length. What was throwing me off was just looked like I thought that was the tub shoe, but I guess not. I don't know how that wasn't leaking beforehand. There's nothing in there. That looks kind of big though. No. I think someone just put this, I don't know. No, that'll work. Is that a bunch of propaganda, what they're talking about? Trying to scare people or what?
I wasn't even paying attention.
Yep. It's a little bit too long. We got to cut that back a little bit with a tubing cutter. This should work now. Yeah, that goes out for sure. So this goes in here. Yep. Yeah. Go get some channies for that. Let me just let me tighten this up now. see. I ain't got a light.
My camera light?
That's good now. It's pretty tight. I might want to try that before anything. All right, I'm gonna test this real quick. I don't see no leaks. No leakies. All right, no leaks.